Out into nature we go. Again. Jake's already down here somewhere. I just got sprayed with bug spray, so I'm good. He's long gone. Never seen that boy again. Just kidding, I'm just kidding. We'll see him again soon. It's fine. And I actually will try not to slip. Yeah, but I just fell. Again. He's exploring, so if he's gonna explore, I should have wore my bathing suit. Bathing suits for wimps, and I'm not talking about you, Jake, because you're in your bathing suit right now. Because, I mean, he is sometimes. Weird. Ow! That hurt. Yeah. I just fell.
What are you doing on the
I fell. I was
What
trying to find where you were, and I just freaking hit the Rudy Tooty.
I can't all the way over
Look, it's a
there.
mushroom.
All the way over there. Where? Oh, I went all the way over there. There's a little path over there.
Oh, I rolled my ankle.
Apparently Alex fell, so.
Oh yeah, they saw it. I caught it on camera.
Finally we got you falling. Alex just broke a humongous stick. But, you know, that looks like pretty deep water. You're going in it now.
No, no.
Good luck.
Oh wait, please talk on me.
Now the microphone's probably screwed up.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of flies. I'm trying to get you guys so you can look under the water over there. Skedaddle. Alex is gonna go show us the giant mushroom, but I gotta watch out for poison oak and poison ivy, all that stuff, because I don't want it again. Trust me, it sucks. Jeez. But there's a better spot. I know. So that's where we're gonna head right now. This selfie stick thing is nice. It's a pool.
Chunky.
We going right now.
It's getting cold.
Here we are. We're at a river. It is boiling here. Let's go down to the shade. Shade. Whoa. Alright, you going in. The rocks. Crazy. Oh, there's another little beach down here. It's like, oh, that too. Anyway. Here we are. Whoa. Look at this rock. Also, there's no shade over here, so it's also very hot. But
I'm ready. Right.
no.
Wait, where does a fish store its money? The riverbank.
That was so funny. I forgot to laugh. Anyway, cutting out through here. Alex is over there. I don't know what that guy is doing. What is that? If anybody knows what that is, let us know, because I want it, because it looks weird. It looks like it could poke you, but I'm not gonna touch it. I don't know what it is. We made it. But now I think I'm stuck. Oh, no. I got that. I don't know where. Oh, Alex is right here. There's a little spot over there. Well, this is the nature vlog, I guess. Ooh. There's flies. I don't know if you can see them, but there's gnats everywhere. And it's annoying. Ow. One just bit me. They're annoying. Oh, I might fall. Just come on, boy. I got ice cream to eat.
You know what?
Ow. Just flew in my ear. Okay.
The bugs are wild.
Well, yeah, the bugs are crazy. That's where Alex fell the first time. Look at my arm.
These bugs are wild.
Bicycle. Ow, I just smacked myself in the face. See you all later.